there's one thing that I would like
Yeah.
everyone to understand that
Yes.
anxiety जो आ रहा है सब में, anxiety कब आएगा जब you keep on constantly seeing news for COVID, we keep on
Hmm.
constantly seeing news for a cyclone that is coming in. ये जो news जो है negative जो है, so negativity is what you need to avoid. So when the positivity
Yes.
comes in, that's when you feel relaxed. कैसा रहता है, it is
Hmm.
not basically only your physical fitness but also mental fitness जिसमें positive thinking, mindfulness, these things matter the most. So that is one thing definitely one should do.
कि लाइक
Yeah,
अभी जैसे ये सब ओपन हो जाएगा, मतलब अभी लॉकडाउन तो धीरे धीरे ओपन हो रहा है, सो
बराबर.
आफ्टर दिस हाउ टू प्लान अ परफेक्ट रूटीन इन अ डे, क्योंकि बहुत से लोग का रूटीन एक टूट चुका है, एक लिंक रहता था लोगों में पहले, लेकिन अभी वो अभी नहीं रहेगा आई गेस, तो वो लोग के लिए क्या एक हो सकता है?
Uh, see, routine कैसा रहता है? It actually differs from an individual to individual. मतलब
हम्म.
जिसका नाइट शिफ्ट है, his
हाँ.
routine might be completely different. So जैसा
हाँ.
once you start going to work, eventually the whole routine actually falls into place. So you don't have
हम्म.
to set it up. बट
हम्म.
अगर स्टूडेंट्स को अगर बोलना रहेगा जिसका
हम्म.
एग्जाम्स है या जिसका एंट्रेंस है, तो फॉर देम waking up early and getting to the bed early is
हाँ.
utmost important क्योंकि this is what will actually give you focus towards having a proper routine. अगर आप उठ ही
True.
नहीं पा रहे हो सुबह एक given time पे, तो you cannot follow the further routine. So waking up at the right
True.
given time बिना आलस किए,
हाँ.
अगर वो हो गया तो you can definitely follow a nice routine and you can actually plan your routine accordingly. So
True.
planning routine तो कोई it will differ from person to person. So that is something uh, I won't be able to tell you exactly how to plan a routine, but for me, I wake up early, I get to bed early, I make sure I sleep 7 to 8 hours, and then going to work at current situation, following a proper healthy
Hats off to that first of all.
routine in terms of having proper sanitization not only with me but around me, and also keeping everything clean. So that is also
Hmm.
a kind of a routine that is for me, but it might be something different for you.
Hmm. So within this lockdown, जितने भी लोग इसको देख रहे, like there are almost 12, just say yes or give a big fat thumbs up जो लोग रूटीन फॉलो करते, like perfect routine. Till that time, the last question which I've made, that how to maintain like distancing, social distancing, जिसकी वजह से हम लोग कोरोना को अवॉइड कर सकते हैं
So
एज अ डॉक्टर.
basically, there are few papers जहाँ पे बताया गया है कि it is not only 6 feet which is required, so it is there has to be a more like 7 to 10 feet of a gap which is required. और जो nasal spread होता है, जो nasopharyngeal spread होता है, जो बातें करते हैं, छींकते हैं, तो वो जो droplets जो उड़ती है, ठीक है. So basically COVID केस में these droplets fall down, they don't stay in the air. लेकिन problem क्या होता है, the amount of distance it carries is minimum of 6 feet. मतलब normally आप बात भी करोगे तो भी 6 फीट तक आपके nasopharyngeal droplets जाएंगे, लेकिन वो दिखते नहीं है. So ideally keeping 6 feet or more distance is what is recommended. Along with that, दूसरी चीज बोलना चाहूंगा कि always wear a mask, क्योंकि क्या होता है, it's you don't know who's positive. अगर कोई positive बंदा आ गया and he's not wearing a mask and you are wearing a mask, there are high chances of you getting infected. But simultaneously, if both of them are wearing masks, so there are very less chances of one contracting COVID.
तो ये हालात अभी कैसे हो चुके, मतलब लाइक यस, सो ये हालात अभी ऐसा हो चुका है कि लाइक वी आर ऑन अ क्रिकेट पिच, अगर एक आउट हो गया तो मतलब वी वांट टू अवॉइड दैट विकेट, वो विकेट नहीं कहना चाहिए, बस किसी और कर से कोई हम लोग आउट ना हो जाए. सो इट्स दैट टाइप ऑफ सिचुएशन.
एक और चीज ऐसे है कि कोविड जो कोविड का डर बैठा है लोगों में, दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. डर होना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा डर होना चाहिए, बट बीइंग रियली फियरफुल कि भाई कुछ हो ही जाएगा, मुझे हो गया तो मैं मर ही जाऊंगा, दैट इज रॉन्ग. सी कोविड इज जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर फ्लू, बट इसमें खाली ऐसा है कि पीपल विद कोमॉर्बिडिटीज, जिनको डायबिटीज है, जिनको हाइपरटेंशन है, कैंसर का हिस्ट्री है, सो दे हैव हायर चांस ऑफ लूजिंग देयर लाइफ एज कंपेयर टू
COVID-19
एनी
हो सकता है।
हेल्दी। तो डर होना चाहिए, बट ज्यादा भी नहीं, और बिल्कुल भी डर नहीं होना इज एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग।
True. So
So I guess
मैं all the
there
witness
was
have.
I guess there was a question by I guess Sachin Torane.
Sachin Torane.
How to take precautions
So
while
question
going
is-
to office. So Sachin, this is actually an answer to you. While going to your office, a lot of people actually use gloves. I don't use gloves. I rather prefer washing my hands with soap and water. So that is better than actually using sanitizer repeatedly. लोगों को लगता रहेगा सैनिटाइजर यूज करना मतलब आप जर्म्स को मिटा रहे हो, ठीक है, बट सेकेंडरी टू दैट जो सैनिटाइजर होते हैं उसमें देयर आर लॉट ऑफ, तो आप पढ़ोगे कि देयर इज 70 to 80% ऑफ अल्कोहल, तो जब भी आप यूज करोगे आपको एक स्ट्रॉन्ग स्मेल आता है. So that basically constant use of sanitizer also might create a lot of psychiatric problems in the near future. So best is to use soap and water and proper mask पहन के जाओ. Avoid touching any random places जो आपको मालूम नहीं है, जो clean नहीं होते हैं. और I would say avoid gloves because अगर आपको नहीं हो रहा है कोविड ग्लव्स से, लेकिन ग्लव्स से आर कंटामिनेटिंग मोर surfaces and more other places with COVID. So I would
Totally
say
agree.
please avoid using that. So बाकी कुछ नहीं, relax and just normal hand washing, proper mask and safe distancing from other people would be the best thing for you to look forward to while going to office.
So he has asked एक और question before that. If a person is found like अगर उनमें एक COVID-19 है, so how can we face this? Like how can we tackle on this?
Okay, so basically कोविड अगर पेशेंट रहेगा, पॉजिटिव रहेगा, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही इज ऑलरेडी क्वारंटाइन. ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि पॉजिटिव आया हुआ है और वो घर पे है, ठीक है. और इनकेस अगर वो घर पे है तो the government is taking proper precaution in terms of either home quarantine them for 14 days. So basically अगर आपको क्या बोलते हैं symptoms नहीं है, ठीक है, और if you are young but एक ही symptom है and you are not having a lot of problems in terms of breathlessness, so ideally they would ask you to stay at home, or else government has organized fever clinics. तो आप उनको फीवर क्लिनिक जाने को बोल सकते हो जहाँ से वो रिक्वायर्ड कोविड हॉस्पिटल पे एडमिट हो जाएंगे. सो आई वुड से यू स्टे अवे फ्रॉम दैट एंड जस्ट कॉल द रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन. दैट इज अगर पुलिस को भी आपने फोन किया तो भी दे विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल. वो लोग एम्बुलेंस की भी तैयारी करेंगे. दे हैव बीन रियली नाइस टू एवरीवन इन टर्म्स ऑफ द स्प्रेड एंड द पैंडेमिक. तो बिना डरे आप उनको भी कॉल कर सकते हो. So there are a lot of people to help, there are a lot of institutions to help, a lot of hospitals to help. So just contact them and they will be free to help you.
True. So as you have a lot of profiles within you, so एक viewers है हमारे जिनका नाम है रितेश. So he is asking कि how cycling will increase our immunity. Cycling कैसे immunity बढ़ाती है?
So basically, cycling will definitely keep you healthy. There is something called endorphins which are released. It is just like any other activity which is to stay healthy. जैसे योगा होता है, yoga is also one of an activity which helps you stay healthy. So as far as you are fit, your immunity eventually becomes stronger. लेकिन so immunity कैसा रहता है? When you're born, you get infected, your body starts making antibodies against it. ठीक है? So that is how your body learns and increases immunity. So cycling definitely helps, but staying fit is one thing that you should actually focus on. It can be any sport, it can be any activity, maybe workout at home, it may be yoga, maybe running, jogging, it can be anything. So any activity, any see, one should not stay idle. One should always
True.
have something or other thing going on. And
Keep
if you
engaging
have,
in other activities.
it's basically a lifestyle. अगर आपका lifestyle सही होगा, if you're following proper nutrition and if you're just giving 30 to 45 minutes per day to yourself, it is more than
Hmm.
enough for you to stay healthy, which will definitely help you in your immunity.
So we can pick up a last question from this. Vigu, uh, he's asking, where is this? If a COVID person found in our phase or society, what should be his movement? What should be my movement?
So basically, what to do in COVID is something that a physician would actually be able to tell you properly. But one is you should not panic if you know that there is someone in the society. So the person who comes positive, the government definitely knows it, and they will surely send something or the other to take that patient to the responsible place to actually take care of all the COVID patients. So you don't have to worry. Just make sure you stay away and avoid contact with that person for that while.
Distancing is the most important, so we can like do right now because there's a PM Modi आए थे और उन्होंने बोला कि like we have to live on ourselves, like आत्मनिर्भर होना पड़ेगा basically.
Yeah, absolutely. But just believe in yourself and look out for yourself. Everything should be fine.
Okay, so thank you so much for this live video, for joining in. I guess you are in your hospital right now. So first of all, thank you so much for giving me the time from your hospital. Like, so yeah, and also and hats off to you because you guys are the warriors. So you guys are helping out like 24/7. And
right now we are not the only warriors, but every single person outside
true
is a warrior, taking proper precaution, actually following all the norms given by the government. If followed properly, believe me, you will win this war. And everyone else apart from us is a warrior right now. Everyone is outside. They should be safe. They should be responsible, and they should make sure that they don't not follow any of the government norms. Like wearing a mask, not touching it quite often, wearing a mask above your nose, preferably wearing a buffon cap, which is basically a surgical cap. So all of these things, if you have, is the best.
Before ending this live video, would you like to give a short message, like as you are a doctor and as you are a founder of a KC group, Kalyan Cyclist? So a short message for all the people.
So one message that I would like to give is do not fall into the trap of negativity given by the media. You can definitely fight COVID. Do not get anxious. Do not let the world stigmatize about psychiatry. You have your own rights. You feel like going to a psychiatrist. Trust me, you can always go to a nearby psychiatrist for any problems. They're always there for you. And second thing that I would like to say is that एंजाइटी अगर हो जाएगी तो डेफिनेटली आपको प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा क्योंकि if there is anxiety you will end up doing a lot of things which you are not supposed to do. You won't be able to think wisely. You will be extra cautious and you might end up doing a mistake by being extra cautious. Being cautious is perfect but not over cautious. So that is what I would like to give a message from my
Thank you so much once again for this live video.
Yes, pleasure.
Yep. I hope we guys meet soon. Like we all meet soon if everything is stable.
Absolutely. Feel
Thank
free
you
to
so
call
much.
me anytime. I'll see you around.
Yeah.
Bye. Take care.
So that was Advait Jadhav. Dr. Advait Jadhav, and thank you so much to you guys for joining in this live video. I hope that जो भी उन्होंने सवाल जो भी उन्होंने सवाल का जवाब दिया है is very helpful to you all. So मिलता है अगले बार.